Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making buttermilk in Instant Pot. You can find products and ingredients that we used in this recipe below the video. Pour 1 gallon of pasteurized milk into an Instant Pot. Select Sauté program and set time to 30 minutes. While you are heating the milk, you can stir it occasionally. Heat the milk to 86 Fahrenheit. Cancel Sauté program. Sprinkle 4 packets of buttermilk culture C21 over the milk. Let rehydrate for 2 minutes, then stir to dissolve. Close the lid, select yogurt program and set time to 24 hours. Let set undisturbed at 72 Fahrenheit for preset time, or until thickened. Refrigerate and enjoy. To make buttermilk thicker, you can add 1/4 cup of dry milk. Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new at our channel, consider subscribing. You won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Check our website AKitchenAdvisor.com for more yummy and easy Instant Pot recipes.